Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of modeling series. Today we are going to make our character eyes big in shape, then we will make hand base. Which is very easy, don't worry. If you are new here, please watch part 1 and 2. For better understanding. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Okay guys, first our goal is to make this character eyes big. But you will think, why big eyes? Because this character main ingredient is eyes. If you make this character eyes small, it looks boring and off balance. Our human brain reject it. That does not mean every character should have bigger eyes. It depends on your character design. In this character, eyes and mouth has higher value. Then secondary, the arm and legs, and tertiary there would be small horns. That make character unique. Okay, let's make big eyes. In edit mode, turn on proportional editing, then start making bigger eyes, and circle can be controlled with rotating mouse middle button. Don't stress too much. Just make how much the size you want make. Don't focus on how big I am making. I will also do exact as him. Just focus on yourself and goal you want to achieve. Trust your brain and see you are satisfied with size that you are making. Don't go for copying me, just learn from me. You can make your own way. And tip for checking proportion is zoom out so the whole character could be seen, then ask your brain that something is off or not. Because our brain always catch off things first. Then fix it. Okay, after size is decided, fit the eyeball by moving up and down. And also don't forget to turn on and off the subdivision modifier in middle of modeling. Make sure to fit proper eyeball. Don't worry now it's looking weird. But later we will fix it. After fitting eyeball, smooth out some area. Okay, smoothing out means I am trying to maintain oval shape of character, which also give character identity. Okay, now we will make eyebrow region but not eyebrow. You can do this by selecting vertices and press Alt S and then adjust it by pressing G. Okay, but why I am making this shape? Because I am giving this anatomical structure which will increase believability of character and give life to it. Hey everybody, you noticed how I am switching the subdivision modifier during modeling the character. Don't forget that. And also give always your character some anatomical structure to give life. But also this do not apply to all character. Because in our imagination we make the anything. Hee ha. Oh, what is this? Our mouth is automatically model. But no, I have modeled this and it was my mistake. Because mouth is too big. It has no room for smiling. No room for teeth, and it's like whole mouth is open. And it is also making character creepy and giving vibe like evil Joker is smiling. So you don't worry, just keep your model as it is for now. We will fix this later. And don't worry, we will model mouth from beginning. But first we will model hand. And after then we will model mouth. For modeling hand, first select the body and go to edit mode. And change to vertex mode. Then select the arm end loop. After selection, press Shift D to duplicate the loop. After duplication, press P and choose separate. This will separate out object as new. Why I did? Well, it will be easy during modeling, you will see later. Then go to object mode and select our new object that we just duplicated. After, go to edit mode and select the whole loop. Then go to front view and press E to extrude. This will help in creation of hand base. Align it with arm direction. After, press S and then Y and expand it. See it getting to look like base of hand. After, we are going to fill this gap. For this, enable the F2 add-on. This is inbuilt add-on. This will make our work easy. And then fill the gap as I did. After enabling, subdivide the middle loop and then select the vertices and press F to fill the faces. You can see how easy it is to fill the faces. Then after filling, adjust it properly. After, add 2 loop in middle of our base hand. And this character will have only 3 fingers and 1 thumb. Okay, next select the 1/3 of middle loop, then press Ctrl B. This will create one face at end of our hand base. After doing this, you will get one problem. At the wrist of hand, the faces will get 5 each vertices. But we don't want that, we want 4. To do that, add loop and then connect their end vertex to middle vertex of middle loop. By pressing J on keyboard. Don't connect with pressing F, this will give problems. Also add one loop in middle to get rid of triangle. After start adjusting and start making space for creation of fingers. After select the first two faces and press I to insert, then press Alt S to pop out the base of fingers. Do this with every finger. And also remember to switch the subdivision modifier turn on and off to check topology. You will see. If any new will come, I will tell you. Okay guys, here I will make opposite C shape. To give little bit curvy shape. By this you can give organic look. Add support loop near wrist. Now we are going to model thumb. Same process, but this time selection will be different. Watch it, you will get the idea. In next episode we will make fingers and mouth. For now, bye bye.